This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming valve type and checking the tire for cuts or debris. That protects the rim and tube. Once done, remove the valve cap and secure an adapter if you have a Presta. You set the compressor regulator to the tire's recommended PSI printed on the sidewall. Do not guess. Now briefly pulse the air chuck onto the valve to ensure a snug fit. A steady connection prevents air loss and speeds the job. You continue by inflating in controlled bursts so the tire bead seats evenly and you can correct alignment. Start below target PSI to let the bead snap into the rim, then increase in 2-3 second bursts while watching the compressor gauge. Make sure to pause and press the tire down to check seating. Uneven seating causes wobble. If you hear hissing, stop and use soapy water around the valve and bead to identify leaks. You finish by adjusting to the exact recommended PSI using a handheld gauge. The compressor gauge can be off. Once achieved, replace the valve cap and spin the wheel to confirm smooth rotation and no wobble. Take a short test ride to feel handling and suspension response. If you overinflate, press the valve core briefly to release small amounts until correct. If the tire loses pressure, recheck bead seating and valve tightness. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.